Hello everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to control servo motor using analog joystick. By using this joystick and left and right. I will explain the wiring here. All the blue wires here are ground wires, and the red wires are positive wires. I'm powering it using my LiPo battery converted to Arduino to 5 volts using this step down, and the joystick I'm using only 3 pins of it: the red one, the blue one, and the white one. The blue is negative pin, red is 5 volt pin, and this white pin connected to A0 analog input 0 pin. It is the X-axis pin. I don't use the Y-axis and I don't use the switch pin. And the servo motor, red and blue, are the power pins, negative and positive, and the yellow pin is connected to the pin number 9. For the script, check out the link in the description of this video. Also, the blog post is in Bahasa Indonesia, but you can still copy and paste the script. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.